Okay, so hi guys. It's Omolo. I'm signing in to Seco Codes. So it's a weekend, and they say close your laptop, close your tabs. Well, I've done that. I've closed my laptop and everything, but I've opened my camera just to make a small update or just some updates. So we've been running a JavaScript Study Jam series where we were going through what JavaScript is, the basics of JavaScript, like anything JavaScript. We've been tackling that, and so far we've managed to complete 4 sessions. And we are having one more session that is to happen very soon. That is on Thursday next week. Yeah. So in the final session, we are supposed to tackle functions, classes, asynchronous JavaScript, and what we call concurrency in JavaScript. After which, we are going to now delve into frameworks. That was the goal when we started this study jam. So we are going to get into frameworks, and in frameworks, we are going to focus on JavaScript still, but we can touch on TypeScript because TypeScript, TypeScript is basically just a superset of JavaScript. But now it's you have to define the types of what the variables you're using, the objects, and everything. Yeah. So we're going to work on the backend using Express, which is a framework for Node.js, which is a runtime environment for JavaScript that allows you to write JavaScript on the server side. Yeah. Initially, JavaScript was basically meant for the browser only. And then for the front end, we are going to handle 2 frameworks, either Vue or React. So we can either choose to go with Vue or React. But MacU, what we're going to do, I'm going to do an intro or an overview of both Vue and React. And then our community is going to choose whether we want to proceed with Vue or we want to proceed with the React or next, Yeah. So that is it. Also, on top of that, today I have 2 videos that I'm supposed to release in this weekend, already recorded. That is one, I'm going to show you how to set up a Vue project from scratch, how to set up everything, including Tailwind for your styling. And also another video will be on Azure. I'm going to show you how you can connect an API to your static web application that you've hosted on Azure Static Web Apps. So yeah, a lot of goodies for the weekend and for the coming week. Just ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Osego Codes. Join our WhatsApp group for discussions and updates, and ensure you join us in our session finale that is happening on Thursday for JavaScript before we finally begin what we call frameworks in the JavaScript ecosystem. So see you guys. Subscribe, of course. Thank you for the support all this time. We are growing so quick. So yeah, we guys are doing a good job. We're proud of us, and yeah, continue subscribing for more content like this and some quality work. So that was it. That was the update. So Osego Codes is signing out. It was me, Omolo. See you guys in the videos that are dropping and in our Thursday session. Bye.